Alone here sang a solemn bird, trapped in the birdcage. Their everyday could sing, for there was nothing else it could do. Again and again it sang its softly, calling out for help day and night, waiting for a hero in the light to take it from the dark and into the bright. But God sends no night, or only songbird trapped inside all day, never knowing the sun on any bit of fun. Breathing at the same time,